Hey there, struggling with sound issues on your TCL Google TV? Worry not. In today's guide, we'll show you how to fix no sound on TCL Google TV speaker efficiently. TCL Google TV is a fantastic platform that offers an immersive viewing experience, but encountering audio issues can be incredibly frustrating. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or tuning into a live event, sound is essential. Let's dive into some straightforward steps to get that sound back. Step 1. Check the volume settings. First things first, let's ensure it's not a simple oversight. Grab your remote and check if the TV volume is turned up. Sometimes the volume might be accidentally muted or turned down too low. Press the volume up button several times to make sure it's audible. If this doesn't change anything, check if your remote's mute button is on and turn it off if necessary. Step 2. Inspect external connections. Next, let's verify your connections. If you're using external devices like a soundbar or speakers, ensure they're securely connected. Unplug and reattach any HDMI, optical audio, or RCA cables, as loose connections can often be the culprit. Additionally, switch the input mode to make sure you're on the right channel. If your TV is connected to external audio devices via Bluetooth, reset the Bluetooth connection and reconnect. Step 3. Update your TV's firmware. Running outdated firmware can sometimes cause audio issues. To tackle this, navigate to the Settings menu on your TCL Google TV. Scroll down to Device Preferences and then select About. From there, click on System Update and let your TV check for any available updates. Always ensure your TV's firmware is up to date for optimal performance and sound quality. Step 4. Perform a power reset. If updating doesn't solve the problem, a simple power reset might do. Turn off your TCL Google TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for about a minute before plugging it back in and powering it on. This resets the system, which might resolve the sound issue with just a simple restart. Step 5. Adjust audio settings. Your sound settings might need a little tweaking. Go to the Settings menu, select Sound, and ensure all options like Digital Audio Out are set correctly. Experiment by adjusting the audio output mode to a different setting such as PCM, which can help if other modes aren't compatible with your setup. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the above steps work, consider a factory reset. This should be your last resort, as it will restore your TV to its original settings, erasing any personalized configurations or stored data. Go to Settings, tap on Device Preferences, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. By following these steps, you can tackle the annoying issue of no sound on your TCL Google TV speaker while ensuring you don't skip a beat on your viewing experience. Sometimes the problem could be as simple as checking the volume or reset settings, and other times it might require a bit more tinkering with updates and factory resets. Remember, technology isn't foolproof and issues can arise, but solving them is part of the process. Thank you for following along. We hope this guide on how to fix no sound on TCL Google TV speaker helped you bring back the sound to your entertainment. If all else fails, it might be time to contact TCL support for further assistance. Enjoy your TV time with crystal clear sound.